Students, today we'll be studying about link state algorithm. It is one of the routing algorithms. What is routing? Routing is forwarding of packets and deciding which path to take in order for a packet to reach from a particular source to a destination through various network channels. The choosing of the network is based upon one of the algorithm decided. We are going to study in detail link state algorithm. In this algorithm, each router shares the knowledge of its neighborhood with every router in the internetwork. We are dealing with two concepts here. The router is using two parameters. One is the cost of the path from the source to the destination, and second one is the information about the previous node. So dv is the cost of the path and pv is the information of the previous node in the communication. So one router is telling me the information about how much cost it consumed in transmission and what was the immediate previous node in transmission used. Looking at this diagram, you can say if there is a transmission required from A to B, the cost is 2. From A to B, the cost is 2, and when it reaches B, the previous node was A. Okay. So the second example, if a segment is supposed to reach from A to C, the cost is 2 plus 3, 5, and the immediately previous segment is B. Now here there is again one more twist, that there are two channels here, okay, which are being the same thing. So I can either take this one because it is the cost is same, or I can say it is from A to C, it is 5 and the previous node is 5, or the previous node is A. Let us see through the example. First step is initialization step. The currently known least cost path from A to its directly attached neighbors is as given below. Now let us see using a diagram. If I want to send from A to B, the D is nothing but the cost and P is the immediate neighbor. So from A to B, the cost is 2, represented by 2 here, comma, immediately previous neighbor is A. So from A, now if I have to reach to C, I have to find out the cost and the immediate neighbor. From E to C, as we just discussed, the cost is going to be 5 and the immediate neighbor is A. Now A to D, the cost is 1, immediate neighbor is A. Now A to E, please remember that here we are dealing with the direct connections. So from A to E, there is no direct connection. That is why we mention here infinity. Also, from A to F, there is no direct connection. So we are mentioning here infinity. Let us proceed with the same example. We have already covered this here. So moving from A to, we are now considering AD. The segment AD is being considered for the communication. AD with respect to B. So from AD, if I have to reach B, the cost is 2. Can we take this segment or we are going to assume this segment? Since the initiator is A, I will consider this segment, okay, because the path is being initiated from A. So from A to B, it is 2 and the immediate neighbor is A. If I want to reach C, first I have to check whether there is a direct connection or not. From AD as a segment, there is a direct connection which is 3, but because it is starting from A, I have to consider this also. So from A to D, it is 1 plus 3, it gives me 4, and the immediate next neighbor or immediate previous neighbor in this case is D. I'm just repeating this again. In the segment of AD, and I want to find out the routing table for C. C is the immediately connecting segment for AD. That is why the cost is 1 plus 3, which is 4, and for this the immediate or previous node is D. D is represented here. Now we cannot have a self state, that is why for AD segment moving to D, it is kept as blank. Next one, AD to E. For the segment AD, E is the direct connection while the cost is 2, and for E the previous node is D. Next one is F. How do I reach from AD to F? There is no direct connection here, that is why I am mentioning it as infinity. That is all about link state routing. Thank you.